Hey YouTube, and welcome to The Orange Mallet. Today, we're going to be reviewing the YouMaker rugged full body iPhone 7 and 8 case. This came in the mail today, so I'm pretty excited. I've been waiting for this for about a couple days now, so let's get right into it. Let's open the bag, see what's inside, take a look. So, initially, feels pretty good. It's very thick. I like the sides. Got the gunmetal gray, and it's got a nice plastic on the screen protector, so comes out nice and clean right out of the bag, I guess. Yeah, you got your volume controls, your lock button. Bottom has the lightning port and the space for the speakers. Top's got nothing because, well, it's an iPhone. My only concern was that the bottom sometimes doesn't fit lightning charge cables, but we'll see, I guess. Alright, let's see what else is in the bag. I think this is just, yep, it's a thank you note from YouMaker, a QR code to their Amazon storefront, and looks like some instructions. Awesome. So if you open it up, looks about like 8 steps or something, but who needs instructions, right? And I'm gonna leave this screen protector on, not take it off yet. We'll put in the phone first, and then we'll take the outside one off. The next step, I guess, is going to be taking that back plate off. Back plate comes off nice and easy. Little YouMaker logo inside. And next comes taking the rubberized plastic off the plastic skeleton. So they got a little nub here where you can put your finger in, but I found it was just a little bit easier to actually go from the bottom when everything's a little thinner, and then slide that off the skeleton and work my way around the case. There we go. Alright, case comes off, and look, there's another little plastic sheet on the inside of the screen protector too. Make sure there's no dust while it's in transit. Alright, so now I'm just gonna wipe my phone down one more time. Looks like a couple pieces of dust got onto it, so we'll do that. And now I'm gonna peel nice and slowly the plastic off. I love doing this. It always makes everything feel so brand new. Usually I'll just kind of leave the plastic on for as long as I can and then take it off, but in this case, I want the screen to be nice and clean. Oh man, so satisfying. Alright, next step, just take your phone, put it into the case. And it just clicks in like so. Alright, then you make sure that the front-facing camera, the speaker, and the sensors are kind of all in their designated positions on the case. And then make sure the home button's exposed as well. And then, what is that? Put a fingerprint on the camera. Just gonna rub that off. Okay. And now, the skeleton goes into the rubberized plastic. Just kind of slide it over. Make sure it all clicks in. The bottom was a little tricky. It did get caught on itself, but I managed to get it on without too much effort. And there we go. Looks pretty good. Oh, the sides are a little bit off. I'm just gonna push those in. Okay, looks pretty good. Feels very thick, feels very durable. Little YouMaker logo on the side there. Yeah, but otherwise, feels pretty good in my hand. Alright. Now, last thing is going to be the plastic piece that goes on the back. But first, see this little metal plate here? It goes to a magnetic car mount that I have. So, I'm not sure if it'll work. The case is pretty thick, but I'm going to put it in there anyways and give it a shot. If any of you are curious, please leave a comment below and I'll let you guys know if it did work with my magnetic car mount. It stuck on pretty good, and then I just reassembled the whole thing again. Starting from the top, just sliding the rubberized plastic over the plastic skeleton, and there we go. Awesome. Okay, now the last piece is just putting this back plate on. Just I'm not sure if it's gonna stay because it's held on pretty lightly, but it does click in a little bit. Just kind of press the edges. You hear the clicking, and last step, pulling that plastic off. Oh man, it is just so satisfying seeing that perfectly clean surface. Alright, and that's it. Look at that. And then let you guys know how the touch response is with the screen protector. Well, overall, I like this case. The buttons aren't too hard to press on the case. It's got a nice rubbery feel. I feel like it could be a little grippier, but then it might just wear down faster if it was. Easy to reach the mute slider. Overall, very satisfied with this case. Hopefully it protects my phone for another couple years. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment below, and I'll see you next time.